Oop, over the nose. Is this crooked? Alright, you guys, so I'm in the break room right now because I am going to be sneaky and take my mask off. A lot of you have been asking for me to do a video on the day in the life of the salon after coronavirus. So here it is, how we're cleaning, how we're keeping people separated, how we're kind of like social distancing in a way. Everything in between from when the client walks in until the client leaves. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and it answers some of your questions. I know this is like a new, weird, crazy, new normal, but I'm out of breath because it's the end of the day and I've done 3 clients and I dislocated my knee the other night. So yeah, enjoy. Alright, you guys, so as soon as someone comes into the salon, they are required to come to the front desk where we will sign them in on this sheet, have them sign our corona waiver, and also get their temperature checked. Whenever they sign in, they put their name, the time they got there, the stylist they're there to see, and also their phone number to contact, because unfortunately right now during these crazy times we aren't allowed to have anyone sitting in our waiting room just because we have to have the least amount of people in the salon as possible. So they'll wait in their car, and when it's time for their appointment, we'll call them and then mark off their name off the list. And the number one thing we can do right now is sanitize just to keep ourselves safe and also our clients safe when they come in. So the first thing you do, the last thing you do, and in between each appointment is sanitize your station from head to toe. We are required to be 6 feet apart. So in our main salon, we do have 8 total stations that we are allowed to work out just to keep that 6 foot distance. And then in our education room, we've set up 2 salons so stylists can work in there. And now we move on to our shampoo area. This is where we wash, tone, everything. And as you see, we do have 4 chairs. However, we do have the 2 middle ones X'd off. We are only allowed to work on the 2 end bowls just to keep that 6 foot distance. And then also we do have a shampoo bowl in our education room. So in the shampoo area, we do have a specific cleaner that is designed to clean shampoo bowls.
You got me trapped inside this spell. Now I feel
And a big question over on Instagram that I have been getting a lot is, how is the client's experience with the new normal? And I would say it's actually a little bit more personal. Since we are spaced out, I feel like I've had a lot more one-on-one time without any like conversations from other stylists or other people that are in the salon, just kind of like distracting me from really focusing on my client. So I actually have been enjoying this part of the pandemic. Yeah, wearing masks and having to take breaks just to like overly sanitize everything can get a little tedious at times, but it's totally necessary in times like this.
now I feel like your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel that.
And something else I did want to add into this video is talking about if a client does have a high temperature or running a fever. All I'm going to be doing is asking them to reschedule. Obviously, I can't have them in the salon with everything going on with the world. I don't want to take any risk to endanger me or my coworkers or any of the clients in the salon. They won't be penalized for this or asked to pay like a no-show fee or a rescheduling fee or anything like that. All fees are waived right now just during these crazy times. And as far as our retail space goes, we do have a full store full of hair extensions, tools, and we've actually just recently opened up a boutique in our salon, so that is open to the public. All we do ask is that you do wear a mask upon entering the store. We can only have so many people in the store at once, so we do ask you to respect that rule, but besides that, it is open, so feel free to come by and shop and say hey. And I know you guys, this video is very short and just to the point, but I just wanted to keep it that way. I would love to know what you guys are doing to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 and keeping everyone in the salon safe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.